This is the way to insert and draw line in Excel. Insert, click on this insert and shape. Select these lines. There are some different type of line. Straight line, select it, press and hold shift and draw it. Once you double click on, so this shape style will be open, and here you can change size, color, style. Once you click on this corner, so you can increase or decrease the size. Press and hold shift to draw this straight line. Another way, press and hold this minus sign and click anyway. Same, press and hold, and you can draw the line by pressing hyphen. So thanks for watching.